What happens inside the mind of a Spartan when the shield wall closes and the world narrows to bronze, sweat, and the roar of battle? The Spartan phalanx was more than a formation. It was a psychological fortress built from discipline, fear, trust, and shared fate. Every warrior carried a shield, but it protected the man beside him. That principle transformed individuals into one living wall. From childhood, Spartan boys were trained in the agoj to endure hunger, pain, exhaustion, and humiliation. The purpose was not simply to make them stronger. It conditioned them to control fear, obey instantly, and remain steady when every instinct screamed to run. Inside the phalanx, hesitation could kill everyone. One man stepping back could open a gap. One broken shield could expose the entire line. Loyalty was not a choice. It was woven into Spartan identity. Leaders moved among the ranks, reminding each warrior that his honor, his brothers, and Sparta depended on his resolve. Shame and disgrace waited for the man who abandoned the line. When the formation advanced, the wall seemed alive. Shields overlapped, spears moved in rhythm, feet struck the earth as one. Enemies did not see separate soldiers. They saw a machine built to absorb fear and keep moving forward. The Spartan shield wall revealed a brutal truth. Strength is not found in standing alone. It is found in discipline, unity, and the courage to hold your place when everything inside you wants to break. Subscribe to Forgotten Thrones TV for more ancient history. Books by James P. Patterson are available on Amazon and